Hello. So in this video, we will be talking about organizing your Figma project. Let's get started. So here we are. We have a theme created now. I have already renamed it. So let's do it again. If you have created only one theme, you will be seeing on it like this. If you have created more than one theme, and claim Figma for education for all of them, you should be able to see a list of them and you can switch between them. I have this team and I want to go to the teams. So I want to do this. I want to go to all the projects which are within this team and I want to do some settings. So you'll be seeing this. So let's remove it from now. This is the only project you will be seeing. Which is created by Figma by default. So if you want to rename it, you should be able to do it. So let's do all of this. And so I'm going to click on this drop down and I'm going to do settings. So if I want to change the name, so you will have different name. I want to guide you on what are the best practices to give name to your team project or team name. So this is the name of the team. So you will be adding people within your team. So giving them generic names can be confusing to the people who get invited to this. You, this as a student or as a person who will be applying for the jobs, I have found it best that you add your name within it, and then what's the purpose of creating the meeting. So this team was created for the my portfolio project, and I will be sharing all the work that I am doing with it within my with my mentors, with my TAs, with the institute I'm working in, with the class fellows. So all of the people will need access to this. So I'm creating the name which is pretty clear, for anyone who sees this, and who does this team belongs to, and what's the purpose of this. So I found this name to be quite useful. So if you are like Shazia, so Shazia's portfolio, it should work. So you can add this. You should be able to update this. There won't be any image here by default. You will click on it and you can have anything downloaded from Pinterest, or if you have created something on your own, if you want to upload a logo that is yours, or your photo, your own photo, you can do this. So I'll be uploading the same image again to show you. I zoomed it and bam, I saved it. You should be able to add description of what this theme is going to be about. For now, I don't see the name need, but feel free to do that. Figma gives for community a profile option. So Figma gives user this option to create something in Figma, then publish it publicly. So for that, it's like having personal URL on LinkedIn, on X, like Twitter or Facebook. So you should be able to give yourself a special handle. So I recommend giving it your name if that is available. So this one is not available because I have already used this on my personal account. But you can also try something like this. Avoid having numbers and random digits on any one of your professional handles. I always recommend this. But yeah, if you want to, you can add this. For now, I don't need this, so I'm not. Okay, so this has been updated. I have a team created. I want to sorry, within this team, understand the hierarchy. I created an account, and within that, I have a team, and in with this team, I can have multiple projects. So this one is the first project that has been created, and I want to go to the settings, like project settings. So I'm gonna click on this and I want to rename this. So this one is my portfolio. So again, I try to add my name everywhere. Friends, portfolio, projects. So I want all of my projects to be within this. So we have it. If I want to have description, again, I can add the description. For now, I am not doing that. Then if I want to create another project, I can add another, like if I want to have a separate section for my personal project, which I don't want to be shared with anyone, or if I want to have some brainstorming sections project, which in which I invite my class fellows and do activities, I can create another one here. So right now I don't see the need. I'm just gonna update this one. So I change the name, I'm selecting it again, and I am again going to the settings. Okay, not settings. I'm clicking on it and going to into further details within this project. Now the hierarchy has changed. You see, this is the name of project and it has one file in it. So it can have a project can have a lot many. I haven't seen the limit, but you can have as many files as you want within the project. So this is one project that I created to show you guys. You can create another design file or picture file or even slides. So feel free to create an experiment. But for now, the files that we request you to add in the, create, I will be focusing on them. So this is the first file. And before I work on that, in this project, I want to share it with the, how do I share? Yeah, it says right here. So I'm going to click on share. And what I want to do is, you can add people to your again, let me show you. This is project. You can add people to your project as an editor, or you can add people to your team. So wherever you want to add the people, feel free to do that. So I am going to show you how to add them in the project. So share. Let's go back to share. And here you can add anyone's email. You can ask your mentor and TA for their emails. Let's say ABC com and write email and you will be giving those two people again mentor and TA edit access. Any file that is within it that you will be working within the institute already has the edit access. So when they are sharing the screen in the class or giving you feedback, they can make the modification. Okay, so give them an edit access. So after that, you will be sending the invite. Just make sure the email is right. It can be anything, name or at the rate of Gmail, Yahoo, or whatever.com. Okay. So you will be adding two people here. That's one thing. So do that first. Now you have to open the first file that we have. Now, uh, about the naming. So anything you create, just give it a name. Proper name. So what we want to name this? So it needs to have project name. So you will be working on a whole project. So let's say your project is a doctor booking app. So I gave this name. Now who is working on it? So anywhere I see this file in my searches and everywhere, I'm like, okay, who wants this file? Or maybe I have like more than three doctor booking people apps. So I should be able to see which one belongs to you. So by this Kiran part replaces your name. Now, if you have more than one portfolio file, it is always good to remember which one it is. Let's say portfolio one. So it is clear that this is a portfolio project. So these three sections I found so for important to be, the part of name. So that's why we have this name. So you can follow this pattern to give your file a name. Now for the pages. So it says page one, not very useful. So how we will be organizing the file. And honestly, let's talk about this part, organizing the file to the next in the next video. For now, this is the first file that I will be needing from you, the one in which you will be working on your project one. When you are working on another project, you can create another and third and fourth and everything. But for now, two projects, two files, project one, and now another project file. Sorry, keep mixing these words. So another design file that I need from you guys is for extra assignments. So you can name it your name again, and practice file. So in which most of the assignments are divided into two sections. Uh, one, they're all like one section is whole related to your portfolio project. So like full one project will have 20 or 17 or 16 sort of assignments. Then there is another set of assignments that are running in parallel, which will be your practice file. So we want you to work on some work outside your project. So you will be working on them within this project, this file. So these two files needs to be in your project, and this project needs to have editor access for your edit TA and map. And yep, that's it for now. See you guys in the next video.